Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you showed up today. First things first, happy Thanksgiving. I am so very grateful to you, my viewers. Thank you so much for spending a piece of your holiday, a piece of your day with me. It means so much to me. So thank you, thank you, thank you guys. I want to share with you what I received in my latest ThredUp Rescue Box. It's handbags and I have already opened it. I do know what is inside and I've done a little bit of research, but I didn't want to not share this with you because I share everything with you. So this box was really easy to pack back up. There was no invoice. There was no verification. Remember how they were putting stickers on it? Maybe they're only putting stickers at certain warehouses. This box came from Arizona and it's got 10 handbags. These are not designer or name brand. This is just the 10 handbags. This is what it looks like. You can see it. You can see right on top, the Tommy Hilfiger bag. So these bags cost me on average $9, not on average, it is $9 a piece for these bags. And this is not my first impressions. And I will tell you that my first impression when I opened this box was not that great. But it gets better because I have researched these bags so I can share that with you. And I always share the comps so you get an idea of what these bags are worth on the secondhand market. That is what I bought these for, to sell in my Poshmark and eBay store. But guys, it gets even better. This video is a collaboration with my friend Quenby, who has a YouTube channel called The Grateful Queen. And on that channel, she does all sorts of unboxings. Lots and lots of ThredUp unboxings. She and I decided to order handbag box and we could kind of compare, contrast, see who got the better box. And also, I think both of us Quenby's a lot like me. She's always finding pieces in her boxes to add to her personal collection. You guys know me. You know that is what I do as well. There is a bag in this box that I would like to keep. If I decide to keep this bag, I will pull a bag for my personal collection. Guys, this entire week, all of my videos are going to be about handbags. So if you enjoy handbags, thrifted handbags, new handbags, rescue box handbags, you are in the right place. If I find any bags that I am going to keep all week long, in my last video, which will publish on Sunday, you will see the bags from my personal collection that I will be selling in my online stores so that I can keep my handbag collection at a manageable size. So let's get into this box. You saw it already. I'm going to put this box on the floor. Okay, you saw this on the top. This is the Tommy Hilfiger bag. This is a vegan bag. It's a canvas bag with vegan leather and it's in okay shape. This is what the inside looks like. And it is clean enough, but it has some discoloring. The handles don't look that good to me. It has some discoloring there on the handles and some loose strings which can be snipped off. I would not have picked this up for $9 at the thrift store. Would I get it at the bins? That's a different question. Maybe. Because it's clean and it still has a second life left in it. I'm gonna have to think about that one. This bag, look how cute this bag is. This is like a tote bag size. It would definitely hold, I think this would hold my laptop. It does have a snap, right? Yeah, snap pocket there and a zip pocket on this side. It does have some markings on the bottom of it and right through here. This is vegan, but it's a crossbody and it's got the straps on it. It's got a zip top front. The inside of this bag, the interior looks really, really good. It's very roomy and this is by Antique Craft. And I've never heard of that. Now I have looked it up and there are bags on Poshmark, on eBay by this brand and they don't sell for a lot, but I didn't find a bag as cool as this one. And I think this bag is going to make someone very happy. I think this bag, the lighter color, is better suited for springtime, so it probably won't sell right now. But I'm happy with this bag, even though it's not gonna make me a bunch of money. I think someone's going to enjoy this bag. If there's a bag in here that has my name on it, this is it. I like this bag a lot. I got very excited when I unboxed this. This is Cole Haan. This is a really nice pebbled leather. It is gray and black, so it's perfect for the current season. This is what it looks like. It does have a flap top, and this is what the inside looks like. It's got an adjustable crossbody strap. It does have this zipper pocket right here and a pocket on the back, large enough for my cell phone, but check this out. It's got this card pocket right here. I mean, would you use that? I would not use that. I would not trust this pocket to hold my driver's license or a card of it. Maybe like my Sam's Club or my Costco card, but even that I don't want to lose. And then we also have this pocket here. This is, I think, my favorite bag. This is perfect for me. I'm going to probably try this one out before I list it for sale and decide if this is the bag that I want to keep. I am loving these smaller crossbodies right now and very happy with this bag. All right, the next bag is a Coach bag. This is what it looks like. It's kind of a tan and brown Coach bag. This one is called the Madeline, and it's in decent condition. It does have some wear. You can just tell that it was loved, but there's no damage on it. I couldn't find any damage, some watermarks right there, but once I put some leather conditioner on this one, it's going to look fabulous. It does have the key fob on it. This is what the inside looks like. So it's one big compartment with a pink fabric interior lining, and it also has pockets on either side of it, which is really nice. It does have the creed. I did look this up. This one was called the Madeline. Did I tell you that already? But yeah, it is authentic, and it looks like this one's going to be worth around $50. And yeah, I think I can get $50 for this bag because the integrity of the bag is really there. It's in good condition. But yeah, this was totally my jam about 8 years ago. I loved this style bag, but things are changing. All right, this bag evoked strong emotions from me because this bag is a pebbled leather. It's, I know with the lights, it's looking like it's a really white, but this is more of an off-white pebbled leather, nice leather bag. It's a light color, so you can expect light colored leather gets dirtier, or you can see the dirt more readily than a dark colored bag. But this was so dirty. And this bag is marked by Marc Jacobs. And so when I got it, it was almost black. It was so filthy. And this is a DIY box. I knew that going into it, but I thought, I get a great bag that is just practically destroyed, and that's disappointing. Anyone that tells you they're not disappointed by getting a great brand in terrible condition. But you guys, I have an awesome husband. While he was watching the football game the other day, I gave him some leather cleaner and a cloth and this bag, and he restored it. I asked him to clean the outside of the bag because if I could not restore the outside, I wasn't going to bother with the inside. I'll show you the inside because it has not been cleaned, and you can get an idea of how dirty the bag was. There is some staining there, and I mean, now that the leather is clean, this bag looks marvelous. It's still not in perfect condition, and I think there's a mark right there, but the bag is in pretty good condition. This one is called the Natasha bag. And okay, you can see in here, you can see how dirty the lining is. Now, I'm going to take the time and clean up that lining because the leather cleaned up so well. And these bags in good condition comp very nicely. So I'm happy. I have the most awesome husband in the whole world, and I am pleased with this bag. But like I said, if you had seen my first impression, it wasn't pretty. This bag was trashed. All right, this bag is really interesting. Check it out. It's got a nice, sleek shape to it. It does have these ring handles with a little leather, but those are not in place. So they do slide around, as well as the rings slide. But this bag is not lined, and it's got the raw leather on the inside, and it looks fabulous. It looks like it's never been used, but the way that it was stored, you can see there's some wrinkling. Let me share it right there. You can see all that wrinkling on the leather. So I'm going to condition this, and I will note that in the listing. I am not familiar with this brand. It is called, let me show it to you, Tribe Alive. Tribe Alive. I looked it up. I mean, there's listings. There's not a lot of sold, though. And this bag, the comps run anywhere from $17 to $75. I'm guessing this is going to sell closer to that $20 range. I think this is really cute, though. Like I said, this would make a great Instagram picture. All right, this bag, guys, this bag feels absolutely amazing, and it is in really nice condition. It's a snake skin, and it's got a gold, it's almost got a shimmer on it too, but it does have a gold undertone to it. This is DKNY, and I'm surprised how nice this bag is. I'm not familiar with DKNY bags. I've never owned one. I've never sold one. This is what the logo looks like inside. And the bag inside is super clean, really nice shape. I'm sure this has been used. I wonder if this is real leather. Yeah, it's genuine leather, 100% genuine leather. It feels like that. So I have sold DKNY clothing. It hasn't made me a whole lot of profit, but I was surprised when I ran the comps that these DKNY bags do very well. So this is a nice find, but I don't think this is going to sell anytime soon because this is more of a special occasion bag, and there's just not a lot of us going out to special occasions. We are still celebrating special occasions, just like today, Thanksgiving, in small gatherings. But yeah, DKNY, I like that bag. This next bag was a surprise to me. This is a convertible bag. This is a shoulder bag, crossbody, shopper bag. And this is a leather bag. Now, it's a light color, so it does have some marks on it, some staining, or I don't even know if it's staining. I don't know if it will come clean, but I suspect it will. Look at how pliable this leather is. It's amazingly soft, and it is raw leather on the inside, and the inside is so clean. It is really nice, but there are no pockets on the inside of this bag. Did you see? You can see those marks right there. The corners look okay, but this bag does have one pocket on the front, and that's where I found the brand. And the brand is COS. And originally when I saw this, I thought, is that H&M? COS? You guys following me? Because COS is the higher end line at H&M. But this is actually an online like boutique that sells really nice high quality leather handbags, and these shopping bags go anywhere from $125 all the way up to $300, and they have a nice variety of these shopping bags. So I was really excited when I did the research on this bag. I like this bag a lot, and I wonder if this would be a nice bag to try out. Oh, did you see though? I did find a flaw, and I didn't find this until I started researching the bags, but right here we do have a bit of a tear, but this leather is so pliable. I honestly think that's something I might be able to stitch up myself, so I am going to try to do that because I think this is going to be a great bag to sell, but also maybe a great bag to enjoy myself for a while. I don't know. What do you think? Between the Cole Haan and the COS, I don't know. Okay, but wait till you see the next one. This might be the prettiest bag in this box, solely because of the color. I love this mustard colored leather, and this is a Coach bag. Can you see it? It's embossed right here, Coach. I love this bag. This bag is called the Soho Lin bag, and it does come in other colors besides the mustard color. It does have feet on the bottom of it. It does have silver hardware, and it's substantial, and you can see the key fob there. This one has a few marks on it, and I feel like I'm going to be able to get those out. Right there, right through here. Yeah, just a few marks on it, but look how clean. The inside is so nice and clean. It's got a lavender interior on the inside. This is the Creed. I was able to look it up. It is authentic. I love this bag. I'm not going to keep this bag for myself, number one, because the comps on this bag were really, really good. Someone is going to enjoy this bag, and it's in great condition, so I don't think I'm going to have any difficulty selling this bag. It's pretty, right? But you guys know I'm moving towards smaller, lighter weight bags. This is not a heavy bag, but I'm going to sell this bag. This is it. This is the final bag. And this is a substantial, nice bag, all leather. This is what the front looks like. I'm guessing that's the front. And this is what the back looks like. They're exactly the same. This is a leather, kind of a cognac leather bag, and it does have the snap, great big pocket on both the front and the back, and the drawstring on the top. This is a snap closure, magnetic snap. And it's a great big, like, hobo style bag with pockets and zip pockets. And this one is J. Crew. And J. Crew bags do really well for me. Guys, I would sell nothing but J. Crew. I really like this brand, and the handbags do well for me. So would I pay $9 for this bag all day long? I think this one's gonna do good. This one does need a little bit of cleaning, but you can see it's in fabulous shape. So yeah, all day long, I would pay $9 for that bag. The mustard colored Coach bag, love it. And the COS bag, is it COS or is it COS? I don't know. If you know, please let me know in the comments below. This is a new to me brand. I'm always happy to try out a new to me brand. The comps look good on it, so I would definitely pay $9 for the education. The Marc by Marc Jacobs bag, I'm pleased with it now. Now I would pay $9 to try to sell this bag, but in the original condition, I wouldn't have given you 2 cents for this bag. It was that bad, but I think that this one is going to do all right. The DKNY bag, I think this one is going to take a while to sell. I think someone is going to love this bag because this is a nice quality bag. So this is also an education for me because I really didn't know how nice the quality was on the DKNY. The Tribe Alive bag, I would not have spent $9 on this bag. I think it's nice. It's a nice quality leather bag, but I just don't know. There's not enough information out there. If you know anything about this, please hook a girl up, but look for this bag to appear on Instagram. Yeah, I'm gonna give this bag a little glory before I sell it. The Coach Madeline bag, I would not have paid $9 for this bag, but I would have picked it up at the bins. The Cole Haan pebbled leather gray and black crossbody bag, I would probably pay full retail price for this bag. I really like it. Did I show you it does have an extender as well? It does extend about an inch more, but I don't know, that really doesn't make that big a difference, but I really like this bag. I am going to try this for myself. You guys are going to have to weigh in and let me know, would you keep this bag for yourself or would you try the COS bag? Both are brands that I've never worn before, so I feel like I should give them a try. Now this bag, the Antique Craft bag, this is a new to me brand, and I don't think it's going to fetch me a bunch of money, but I do think that someone is going to enjoy this bag. It's really a pretty bag. If I can get it cleaned up perfectly, it's gonna get a second life. And the final bag, the Tommy Hilfiger bag, this is the bag that I am not at all excited about, and this one, I will probably donate this one because it's still in good shape. It's just not something that I think is worth my time to list and sell. Would I buy this handbag box again? Absolutely. I have done very, very well with this particular handbag box from ThredUp as well as the shoes. You guys know I've turned a profit on all of my shoe boxes. My next video, I am going to share with you all of the handbags I picked up in Denver, Colorado. I recently went on a thrift trip. I went to all of the bins, which are 3 bins in Denver, as well as the Goodwill outlet, the bins in Colorado Springs, and I picked up some handbags. You guys are gonna have to check out that video and let me know who did a better job, ThredUp or Kelly. Be sure to visit my friend Quenby over at The Grateful Queen to see what she got in her ThredUp handbag box, and I'm so curious. I can't wait to watch her video and see if she found a bag to keep for herself, because Quenby's a lot like me. She does not hesitate to keep keep something for herself. And I would not keep this bag for myself. This bag is for someone else. It does not have my name on it. This one does not say Kelly Shaffner, but someone will enjoy this bag. Guys, thank you so very much for spending a piece of your Thanksgiving with me. That means an awful lot to me. I am so very grateful to you, my viewers, for supporting this channel. Make sure you're subscribed, guys. I cannot wait to share my next lot of handbags with you. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Blessings to all of you. Happy Thanksgiving.